The YIHUA 939D-VII Pyrography Tool Kit offers a versatile 2-in-1 design with both a detailer pen and a solid point wood burning pen, allowing artists to create intricate details and cover large shading areas effectively. With adjustable temperatures ranging from 200 to 750 degrees Celsius for the detailer pen and 200 to 480 degrees Celsius for the solid point pen, this toolkit is ideal for burning on a wide range of materials, including wood, leather, and hard plastic. The kit includes an impressive variety of 50 solid point tips and 23 burning nibs, providing ample options for different burning techniques and artistic effects. Both pens in the YIHUA 939D-VII come equipped with a digital temperature display, enabling users to easily recall their preferred settings for different materials. A 12-month exclusive manufacturer technical coverage and 24/7 professional assistance on Amazon offer peace of mind and support for users of this toolkit. Designed to operate on U.S. standard voltage, the YIHUA 939D-VII Pyrography Tool Kit is a reliable choice for American artists seeking a high-quality wood-burning solution.